Daily word list. Optimistic, adjective.
Reassuring, favorable, encouraging, promising, hopeful.
Assessment, noun.
Evaluation, appraisal.
Inflation, noun.
Simply meaning cost of living, increase of price level of goods and services, and vice versa, decrease of currency value.
Tame, verb.
To retain/control prices within acceptable levels, moderate, mitigate.
Push for, phrasal verb.
Work for, urge, promote, advocate.
Fortnight, noun.
A period of 2 weeks/14 days continuously.
Monetary policy, noun.
Monetary policy refers to the use of monetary instruments under the control of the central bank to regulate magnitudes such as interest rates, money supply, and availability of credit with a view to achieving the ultimate objective of economic policy mentioned in the Reserve Bank of India Act, 1934.
The central bank, noun.
The banking regulator of a country's banking system. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, is the central bank of India.
Bulletin, noun.
Report, release, statement, announcement.
Pivot, verb.
Start to manage something in an entirely different method.
Posit, verb.
Put forward, set forth, present, propose.
Outlook, noun.
Prospects, expectations, hopes, likely improvement, lookout, future.
Aggregate demand, noun.
It is the total demand for final goods and services in an economy at a given time.
Overcast, adjective.
Dull, murky, gloomy, cheerless, joyless, somber.
Pandemic, noun.
The worldwide spread of a new disease. The illness spreads around the world and typically affects a large number of people across a wide area.
Assert, verb.
State, avow, insist, announce, declare, confidently.
Buoy, verb.
Rally, uplift, encourage, stimulate, cheer up, give strength to.
Pent up, adjective.
Suppressed, confined, held back, not expressed, emotions/feelings.
Pent up demand, noun.
Pent-up demand is a build-up of demand for goods and services in an economy where consumers are unable or are unwilling to make purchases to satisfy the demand at the present time. Pent-up demand happens during periods when consumers are reluctant or unable to make needed or desired purchases. This generally occurs during times of economic uncertainty, such as a recession.
Unlocking, noun.
A process of freeing something from restrictions.
Vaccination, noun.
Treatment with a vaccine to protect against a particular disease, immunization.
Traction, noun.
Popularity, acceptance, purchase, grip.
Turn around, phrasal verb.
Change, reverse, rebound.
Contraction, noun.
In economics, it refers to a decline in national output as measured by gross domestic product.
Moderate, verb.
Control, decrease, lower, reduce, mitigate.
Array, verb.
Arrange, draw up, set out, set forth, display, present, uncover, reveal.
High-frequency indicators, noun.
High-frequency indicators, HFIs, of India's economic recovery enable a meaningful and real-time analysis of patterns of economic recovery. The HFIs provide a range of data on multiple aspects of the economy, including fertilizer sales, trade in agricultural commodities, registration of new businesses, registration of different types of vehicles, digital transactions and payments, and demand for wage labor under Manrega.
Freight, noun.
Goods, cargo, consignment, shipment.
Buttress, verb.
Confirm, defend, back up, uphold, support, strengthen, reinforce, fortify.
Momentum, noun.
Driving power, strength, impetus.
Point to, verb.
Indicate, suggest, denote.
Forecaster, noun.
Predictor, foreteller.
Sizable, adjective.
Substantial, considerable, significant.
Sequential, adjective.
Continuous, consecutive.
Pronounced, adjective.
Noticeable, marked, conspicuous, notable, obvious, evident, recognizable.
Bias, noun.
Prejudice, partisanship, favoritism, unfairness, one-sidedness.
Reflect, verb.
Indicate, show, display, demonstrate, reveal, exhibit.
Resilience, noun.
The ability to bounce back quickly from difficulties, strength of character, strength, toughness.
Prospects, noun.
Chances, possibilities, expectations, outlook, future.
Elide, verb.
Leave out, exclude, fail to include.
Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, noun.
A leading business information company. It was established in 1976, primarily as an independent think tank. Think tank is a panel of experts who provide advice and ideas on political, social or economic issues.
Cite, verb.
Refer to, adduce, make reference to, invoke.
Sanguine, adjective.
Optimistic, hopeful, confident, positive, cheerful, particularly in a difficult situation.
Contend, verb.
Assert, claim, argue, profess, affirm a vow, state, pronounce.
Shrank past of shrink, verb.
Lessen, reduce, decrease.
Kharif sowing / crops, noun.
Monsoon crops, seeds sowing in the beginning, June, of the monsoon and harvesting at the end of the season, October, in the South Asia.
Rabi sowing / crops, noun.
Winter crops, seed sowing in the beginning, November, of the winter and harvesting at the end of the season, April, in the South Asia.
Sowing, noun.
An act of seeding a plant or crop.
Shed / throw light on, phrase.
Explain, elucidate, clarify.
Prompt, verb.
Cause, impel, urge.
The Monetary Policy Committee, noun.
It is a 6-member panel that is expected to bring value and transparency to rate-setting decisions. It will feature 3 members from the RBI, the governor, a deputy governor and another official, and 3 independent members to be selected by the government. The MPC will meet 4 times a year to decide on monetary policy by a majority vote.
Cut, verb.
Reduce, decrease, lessen.
Forecast, noun.
Prediction, indication, projection, prognosis, speculation, calculation of future events or trends.
Gross domestic product, noun.
A measure of economic activity in a country. It is the total value of a country's annual output of goods and services.
Fiscal, adjective.
Financial.
Quarter, noun.
A period of 3 months, considered as 1/4 of a year.
Percentage point, noun.
The difference between 2 percentages is termed as percentage point. For example, interest rates jumped from 10% to 12%. In this case, the interest rate increased by 2 percentage points, or you can say that the interest rate is increased by 20%.
Pitch, verb.
Try to convince/assure someone to accept something.
Upbeat, adjective.
Optimistic, positive, hopeful.
Prognosis, noun.
Forecast, prediction, projection, estimate.
Basis point, noun.
A unit of measure used in finance to describe the percentage change in the value or rate of a financial instrument. 1 basis point is equivalent to 0.01%, 1/100%, used for measuring change in interest rate/yield.
Month on month, adjective.
Used to compare data for 1 month with that in previous months.
Deceleration, noun.
Slowing down, easing off, reduction, diminishing, lessening.
Reinforce, verb.
Support, uphold, strengthen, fortify, bolster up, underpin.
Upsurge, noun.
Sudden increase or rise of something, jump, upturn.
Uptick, noun.
A small increase or upward trend.
Cereal, noun.
Food grains, rice, wheat, millet, maize and, etc.
Edible oil, noun.
Cooking oil, fat of plant, animal or microbial origin, which is liquid at room temperature and is suitable for food use.
Inflationary/price pressures, noun.
The demand and supply side pressures that can cause a rise in the general price level, cost push inflation, hot economy, deficit finance.
Belie, verb.
Contradict, be at odds with, call into question, disprove.
Optimism, noun.
Hopefulness, hope, confidence, positive attitude, buoyancy.
Oversee, verb.
Supervise, be in charge of, be responsible for, look after, keep an eye on, inspect.
Admit, verb.
Acknowledge, reveal, make known, make public.
Dilemma, noun.
Quandary, predicament, difficulty.
Judgment call, noun.
Subjective decision, personal opinion.
Postulate, verb.
Put forward, propose, posit, suppose, suggest.
Trade-off, noun.
A situation in which you must choose between, balance, two things that are opposite or cannot be had at the same time, a compromise, swap, exchange.
Monetary authority, noun.
It refers to the institution responsible for managing the currency of a country, establishing interest rates, and controlling its money supply. The goals of a country's central bank include stabilizing prices, fostering economic growth, and increasing employment. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, is the Central Bank of India.
Redress, verb.
Rectify, correct, make right, set right.
Stagflation, noun.
A period of rising inflation, slowing economic growth and rising unemployment. Inflation is the sustained/continuous rise in the overall price level of goods and services in the economy.